Welcome to OpManager Tech Videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new device template and a custom monitor in OpManager. Device templates in OpManager help you discover and classify a device into the respective category and type. It associates the predefined monitors to the device when it is added and starts collecting the data instantly. Let me first explain why should you create a new device template in OpManager. For example, let us assume you're planning to upgrade your Cisco infrastructure to the latest device type. You cannot expect OpManager to have access to all device types available in the market. However, you can be assured of getting them as and when we have access to these new device OIDs. Until we come up with those device templates, follow the instruction coming up in this video to create a new device template. So here are the prerequisites to create a new device template. Device should have an SNMP agent. You must configure the correct SNMP credential. Get the device specific MIPS from the hardware vendor. Copy these device specific MIPS to MIPS folder present under the OpManager installation. And finally, a list of metrics to monitor along with its OID. I will now demonstrate how to create a new device template for NetApp Filer in OpManager. Step 1 is to upload vendor MIPS into OpManager server. I already have MIP files from NetApp in a folder in the D drive, and I'm going to copy these files to OpManager MIPS folder. Step 2 is to identify the correct OIDs from the MIP file, for which I'm going to use the standalone MIP browser from OpManager server. Let me show you how to access the OIDs for the metrics I want to monitor. Open the command prompt with administrator privilege. Change directory to OpManager bin and execute mipbrowser.bat. This will open the MIP browser interface. Click Load MIP module at the top left corner to load the vendor MIP files. I'm going to load MIPS for NetApp. In case you have multiple MIPS, hold the control keys to load them all at once. Click Expand Tree at the bottom left corner of the page to expand the MIP files. This will be easy to search for the relevant performance metrics from all the MIP files. Let me search for OIDs corresponding to total disk capacity, used disk space, and available disk space in the file system. The table in the next screen tells you how OpManager is going to display the value based on the OID syntax. Integer 32 will display the value as it is. Counter 64 will display the difference between the consecutive poll response, same as for the counter 32, and for display string and octet string, it will display the value in text. This is the OID of performance metrics total disk capacity. Know more about the performance by reading the description. Also, ensure that the device is responding to these OIDs by clicking on the Get SNMP variable button. It is important to make a note of the table name, df table, so it will be easy when you add these monitors in the device template in OpManager. Now we know the OIDs for all three performance metrics, and step 3 is to create a new device template. For this, go to Settings, click Configuration, then click Device Templates and click Add Template. I'm going to create a new device template to monitor the NetApp Filer. Select the vendor name from the drop-down list. You may even add a new vendor by clicking New button. Select a category and a relevant device icon. Click Query Device Provide the device name and community string, and then click Query for OpManager to query the device OID. This gets added to the device template. The procedure to add the performance monitors is same for both new and existing templates. Click Add button within the monitor section, then click SNMP, browse and load the vendor MIP file. The performance metric I'm looking for is listed within the DF table. First, let me add the monitor for total disk space. Select the metric and click OK. Provide the monitor name, display name. Functional expressions will be useful if you wanted to convert the polled value from Celsius to Fahrenheit, numeric to string, KB to GB, and so on. Provide the monitoring interval, units, configure the threshold value if necessary and click OK. I will repeat the same steps for other two monitors too. You will find the monitors listed under the monitor section in the template. Click Save, and that is it. We are done. Let me discover a NetApp device so you can witness OpManager associates the device with the corresponding device template automatically. The device is successfully discovered. Let me check the device snapshot page. There you go. We have the monitors listed here along with the data. I hope you find this video useful. You should now be able to define your own templates and monitors in OpManager. Thank you. Please subscribe to OpManager Tech videos for more help.